Often students will watch TV shows like, CSI or Bones, and they sort of have an unrealistic expectation of how easy it is. Like Bones on TV, she can assess the age, sex and ancestry of an individual while it's miraculously still fully articulated and covered in goo, whereas it's not actually that easy in real life. So just giving the students sort of a real life perspective of how this is actually done in practice is what forensic archaeology and I'm all about. And it's why students, I think, are drawn to this subject, just because it does give you that real world perspective.
I've always wanted to do like forensic archaeology, forensic anthropology and like all of that type of stuff. I grew up watching crime shows, so I've always been like really interested in that stuff and just, wanted to pursue it as a career. You never know in each class what you're going to learn that day.
Engage with the scene or the crime scene itself to interpret how a body was, disposed of, or why the grave was dug, or what you can tell about the grave.
It helps it make sense, like especially what we did yesterday. It's then being able to learning it in class and being able to practice it. I feel like it's committed a lot more. Like I know when I talk about something, I understand the theory side of it as well as the practical side together now.
Archaeologists are very good at systematically and methodically excavating down through the layers of the soil until they find evidence, and they can build up sort of a record and understanding of what happened, the temporal processes that occurred in that site over time. Those archaeological skills are really important no matter whether or not you're in a forensic scenario with a clandestine burial or whether or not you are excavating a site that's 4,000 years old. Exactly the same principles apply.